Hearing pivot tables for the first time in the workplace might send some of the new hires in a bit of a panic.
My God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
But it doesn't always need to be. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can create pivot tables in Google Sheets. A pivot table is a summary of data selections that you can quickly and easily manipulate in a way that trumps manually looking at your data or even creating a normal table. Pivot tables comprise of pages, data fields, rows, and columns that can be moved, edited, and tweaked. This freedom allows you to expand, group, sum, or isolate your data fields in real time. Pivot tables allow you to view summarized data, offering you a view of certain data sets and allowing you to organize raw information in a clearer manner. Pivot tables can create meaningful data tables instantly, help you generate accurate reports faster, and summarize huge datasets with ease. The absolute beauty of pivot tables is that you don't need complicated software or even that big of a data science background to quicken your organization's decision-making process and understand data patterns. Here's how you can create pivot tables in Google Sheets. We have some sample data here that we got from the internet. To create a pivot table, it takes 3 steps. Select any cell within the data, press Insert, then Pivot Table. A prompt shows up where you can check if the data range selected is correct, including the headers. Select whether you want to have the pivot table made on the same sheet or on a new sheet and press OK. Now you have your pivot table. It doesn't mean much right now, but it will in a second. In the pivot table editor, it's here where we can manipulate the rows, columns, values, and filters with the different types of data from our table. We can see that data in the far right portion here. For example, we want to know the total units and sales of office supplies per region and per item. We can simply drag region to the rows portion, drag item to the columns portion, then we can add in the values field, the units and unit cost. In a few minutes, we can now instantly see the units sold per item and per region, and sales per item per region. Using pivot tables are way faster than if you were to use a COUNTIF or a SUMIFs to aggregate the same data. How you manipulate the data fields depends on your business question. Speaking of business questions, be sure to check out Simple Sheets for the answers to your business questions. With over 100 pre-built and smart templates, along with an Excel training course to help you master pivot tables in Microsoft Excel and in Google Sheets. As always, if you found this video useful, please do leave us a like as it greatly helps out the channel, and make sure you're subscribed to Simple Sheets for more Excel and Google Sheets tips and templates. I'll see you on the next one.